So here I make a slideshow for interview. So while I prepare all the questions to provide better answer in a detailed way, the summary provided below is the collection of my knowledge and information from various sources like Medium, Stack Overflow, ChatGPT. So I make slides regarding the question which is the most asked questions in the interview. The first question is, can you explain the CI/CD process in your current project, or can you talk about any CI/CD process that you have implemented? So you have to give the answer like that. In the current project, we use the following tool orchestrated with Jenkins to achieve CI/CD. So after that, you just give the tool which you are using currently in your project. So in this, I here is we can take a Maven, Sonar, AppScan, or you can say Trivi regarding to AppScan, Argo CD, and Kubernetes is there. After that, you just define all the tools step by step. So first, I take a code commit. Developer commit code changes to Git repository hosted on GitHub. Second one is Jenkins build. Jenkins is triggered to build the source using Maven, and Maven build the code and run unit test. Third one is code analysis. So Sonar is used to perform static code analysis to identify and code quality issues and security vulnerabilities and bugs. Fourth one is security scan. So Trivi is used to perform a security scan on the application to identify and security vulnerability. So we use Trivi for scans, Docker image, Kubernetes image, and some Git repo also. Fourth one is deploy to dev environment. If the build and scan pass, Jenkins deploy the code to a development environment managed by Kubernetes. And sixth one is promote to production. So when the code is ready to product for productions, it is manually promoted using Argo CD to provide environments. And seventh is a monitoring. The application is monitored for perform and availability using Kubernetes tools and the other monitoring tools. Suppose you are not good with this Kubernetes and Argo CD, so you can skip this part and use those tools which you used and you have good knowledge on that. So move to second question. So second question is, what is shared model in Jenkins? So, share module in Jenkins refer to a collection of reusable code and resources that can be shared across multiple Jenkins jobs. This allow for easier maintenance, reduce duplications, and improve consistency across multiple build processes. For example, share module can be used in case like libraries, Jenkins files, plugins, global variables. So I can just define one by one. So you can go with the slide, and if you want to read more, you can check it out. And actually, share models help. Suppose there is a two DevOps teams. So between them, if you want to share something like a Jenkins file plugin, so that time we can use this share model in Jenkins, right? So move to the next question. The next question is, can you use Jenkins to build application with multiple programming language using different agent at different stage? So answer is like that. Yes, Jenkins can be used to build applications and multiple programming language by using different build agent in different stage of build process. Jenkins support multiple build agent, which can be used to run build jobs on different platform and with different configurations. By using different agent in different stages of the build process, you can build application with multiple programming language to ensure the appropriate tools and libraries are available for each languages. For example, you can use one agent for compile Java code and another agent for build as Node.js application. The agent can be configured to use different operating system, different version of programming language, and different library and tools. Jenkins also provide a wide range of plugins that can be used to support multiple programming language and build tools, making it easy and integrated different part of the build process and manage the dependencies required for each stages. Overall, Jenkins is a flexible and powerful tool that can be used to build application with a multiple programming language. So, in this scenario, uh, suppose there is in your project there is a three language. One is for Python, second one is Java, third one is something else. So that time we use this multi-programming language. We use agents and slab concepts and staging concept that helps a lot. Let's move to the next question. So here are the questions: how to set auto scaling group for Jenkins in AWS, right? So first step is launch EC2 instance. Create an Amazon Elastic Cloud Computing instance with a desired configuration and install Jenkins on it, right? This instance will be used as a base image for the auto scaling group, right? Second point is create launch configurations. So create a launch configuration in AWS auto scaling that specify the EC2 instance type, the base image created in step 1, and the additionally configuration settings such as store, security group, and KPI. These things. Third step is create auto scaling group. Create a auto scaling group in AWS. Auto scaling and specify the launch configuration create in step 2. Also specify the desired number of instances, that the minimum number of instances and the maximum number of instances for the auto scaling group. Fourth one is configure scaling policy. So in AWS there is a lot of policies. So the one is policies on a scaling policy. So configure a scaling policy for auto scaling group to determine when new instance should be added or removed from the group. This can be based on the average CPU utilizations of the instances or other performance matrices. Fifth one is load balancer. Create a load balancer in Amazon Elastic Load Balancer (ELB) and configure it to the forward traffic to the auto scaling group. Sixth one is connect to Jenkins. Connect to the Jenkins instance using load balancer endpoint or the public IP address to one of the instance in a auto scaling group. Last one is monitoring. Monitoring the instance in auto scaling group using Amazon Cloud Watch to ensure that they are healthy and they are auto scaling policy in the future. It's work. So this is the steps we can say when the interviewer asks that type of question. So today we discuss around one questions, two, three, four. So thanks for watching me. I hope you like it. Thank you.